Hey there everyone, there are a ton of quality backup cameras on the market right now, but which one is going to be the best for you and your specific needs? Well, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best backup cameras in 2021. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an affordable entry-level option that has solid picture quality and reliable overall performance, or a higher-end option with stunning quality that replaces your rearview mirror, we'll have the backup camera for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly backup camera, the eRapta ERT01 is a solid choice that's priced at $25. It's a basic, easy-to-use backup camera that will reliably display real-time footage of what's behind you. While it lacks the feature set of higher-end options, it delivers solid performance at an affordable price. You get surprising picture quality with impressive color reproduction, compatibility with nearly any vehicle, and a user-friendly installation process. It has a solid build made from a durable, high-purity resin, and it has a weatherproof IP69 rating and a temperature range of -50 to 80 degrees Celsius, so it can dependably withstand heat, rainy conditions, and dust. The installation process is intuitive, and it has a plastic casing that can conveniently be mounted to almost any vehicle, including pickups, SUVs, and sedans. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a screen, but it can also easily connect to compatible screens with the included RCA cable, and it has a 25-foot length that should cover most vehicle sizes. It produces a solid 480p resolution image of your surroundings in real time. I also like that it has 8 small LED lights near the lens to increase visibility in darker environments, and it delivers an impressive night vision picture with 100% true color reproduction. The 149-degree field of vision is also optimal for a backup camera, and it provides ample coverage without distorting the image or losing detail. Even though it doesn't have many options for turning off the guidelines, you can adjust the camera vertically or horizontally to find a better viewing angle. The eRapta ERT01 is a backup camera that offers solid picture quality at an accessible price. It has an easy installation process that's compatible with most vehicles, an optimal field of vision for comprehensive visual coverage, and impressive low-light video footage. I would recommend this for automobile owners who don't want to break the bank. For anyone who wants the backup camera that gives you the best bang for your buck, the LeeKooLuu LK3 might be worth your consideration. The $50 LK3 backup camera is a solid option that delivers an impressive price-to-performance ratio and good utility. It comes with some useful features such as a high-resolution and anti-glare display, solid picture quality in most lighting environments, and a reliable wired connection. It connects to your car's reverse lights and powers on when you use the reverse gear, or you can attach it to a 12-volt source fuse box or cigarette lighter for continuous usage. Unfortunately, the installation process is more time-consuming than some competitors, but it's compatible with most vehicle types, and the camera has an IP69 waterproof rating for added durability in rainy conditions. You also get a 4.3-inch LCD monitor with a glare-proof screen that comes with a magnetic bracket for easy mounting. The 1080p camera and upgraded 6-glass lens capture a clear image that's displayed on the monitor, and you can use it either as a rear or front-facing camera. I also like that it utilizes 6 white LED lights and HD digital processing to produce a quality night vision image within a 30-foot range, along with a 150-degree viewing angle for comprehensive visual coverage. It has overlaid markings on the image to show how much space your vehicle has between obstacles, which is a solid feature considering the price. You can also adjust the width and orientation of the backup guidelines as necessary to fit the real-life situation. I think the LeeKooLuu LK3 is an impressive backup camera that provides a solid feature set and good overall performance at a bargain price. You get quality images in light and dark settings, a solid 4.3-inch LCD monitor with some useful adjustments, and real-time feedback about your spatial surroundings. Not everyone needs several high-end niche features, and the $120 Auto-Vox CS-2 offers outstanding versatility and solid performance that will suit most users. It comes with a high-quality and reliable wireless connection, solid brightness for improved low-light images, and a reasonably intuitive installation process. Installing the camera is relatively simple, and you can conveniently attach it to your license plate. You also get a 4.3-inch LCD display monitor that has a suction cup attachment so it can be mounted to your dashboard or windshield, and it plugs into a 12-volt outlet for power. It utilizes built-in digital wireless transmission to provide a dependable and distortion-free connection without interference from other signals such as Bluetooth, although it's only adequate for vehicles less than 32 feet long. The camera also comes with an IP68 waterproof rating and a temperature range of -4 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, which can withstand rain, cold, and extreme temperatures. The camera provides decent picture quality with a 592 pixel resolution, and it accurately reproduces your surroundings. It also has a solid lumen rating of 0.1, which produces crisp and clear night vision images. While the 110-degree field of vision might be too narrow for some larger vehicles, you get a more accurate image with less distortion, and it's more than adequate for most vehicles. You can also conveniently adjust the vertical angle placement using the screw on the base. Even more, it has a customizable guideline overlay on the screen to gauge the distance between obstacles, and you can adjust the parking lines to fit your environment. The Auto-Vox CS-2 is a versatile backup camera that's suitable for nearly any use. It has solid specs with impressive camera performance, a durable build that can withstand most weather conditions, and a high-quality LCD display monitor. I would recommend this if you want an effective and easy-to-use backup camera. For larger vehicles, the AMTIFO A8 is our choice as the best option, including for RVs and trailers. Larger vehicles require a wider viewing angle, and the $160 AMTIFO A8 is a high-end wireless backup camera that provides comprehensive maneuverability assistance. You get a reliable wireless connection with an impressive range, the ability to support numerous cameras, and an external SD card slot to record video. The setup process is user-friendly, and the camera is attached to a durable bracket for convenient installation. Even though the camera is larger than competitors, it has a sturdy IP69 waterproof rating and a temperature range of -22 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has an outstanding theoretical maximum wireless range of 984 feet that will reliably work on vehicles up to 80 feet in length, and it operates at high speeds for vehicles up to 56 feet long. I like that it has a large mountable 7-inch display that plugs in through your cigarette lighter, and it has an SD card slot for external storage if you want to keep your recorded footage. I also appreciate that it can support up to 4 cameras and has a split screen function, but each additional camera is sold separately and requires a power cable. The camera has a crisp 1080p resolution that produces images with minimal distortion or reflection, and you get a wide viewing angle of 150 degrees to see a clear picture from most angles. It even has a 16 LED array around the lens that produces infrared night vision for enhanced low-light footage. You can also conveniently switch between mirror and facing modes, and you can enable or disable the backup lines as needed. The AMTIFO A8 is a robust camera that provides outstanding range and comprehensive viewing angles. It has a high-resolution camera with clear images, a generous array of LEDs for better night vision, and a useful split-screen feature. I would recommend this if you have a larger vehicle or motorhome. If you're looking for a high-quality backup camera and dash cam combination, the $310 Auto-Vox V5 Pro might be your best option. It comes with the ability to see forward and backward to provide a smooth driving experience. You also get a space-saving and easily integrated design, high-quality video recording, and a user-friendly touchscreen interface with some useful features. It has an intuitive setup process, and the built-in brackets are the same size as existing license plate screws. You'll have to connect the back wire to the reverse light to experience the full feature set, including backup camera functionality, or you can use it as just a dash cam. The monitor is designed to replace your rearview mirror, and it comes with 4 different adapters to make installation a breeze. It also plugs directly into your fuse box, so it can draw power while the engine is inactive. The 9.35-inch screen is glare-resistant, and it gives you much more comprehensive viewing angles than traditional rearview mirrors. It's also a touchscreen display that allows you to toggle between modes and adjust the brightness or parking line orientation. It has a split-screen function to see both cameras with minimal latency, and it allows you to see up to 5 lanes. I also like that it has an SD card slot to store your footage. The 1080p resolution cameras deliver impressively detailed images in well-lit and low-light environments, and they have a durable IP68 waterproof rating. You also get a 150-degree field of vision to eliminate almost every blind spot for improved parking, and the rear camera utilizes special glass to maintain performance with bright headlights. The Auto-Vox V5 Pro is a class-leading backup camera that comes with additional functionality. It has a versatile design, an easy setup process, and a host of useful features, including the ability to adjust the display. I would recommend this if you want a high-quality, versatile backup camera and dash cam combination. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.